how to set up a fingerprint sensor with Arduino. In this video, I will use the WisBlock RAK12001 fingerprint sensor. Attach the RAK12001 onto the WisBlock baseboard and core. Connect by USB and open Arduino. Select the WisBlock core RAK4631 board. The RAK12001 is also compatible with the ESP32 and RP2040 boards from the WisCore family. Open your browser and go onto docs.rakwireless.com. Search for 12001. Select Quick Start Guide. Scroll down to sample code and copy. Go back to Arduino and Control Paste. Scroll up and select Library Manager. Install R307 fingerprint sensor library, then go to Tools, Port, COM15, select Save, then Upload. Once uploaded, immediately open the serial monitor to view logs. Type enroll1 at the top, then follow the instructions on the screen. Once you have successfully stored your fingerprint template, type CAPFULSER1 on the top and press Enter. The RAK12001 is now communicating with the WisBlock core. For more information, please visit the link down below.